our last project, we are going to iron onto a really soft, cuddly plush throw with our Cricut Easy Press. We need to double check our material content. This one is polyester, so this needs to be set at 315 with 30 seconds. So that's gonna heat up. I'm gonna set it aside while I get my surface ready here. I've got my vinyl all cut out and it says, shh, this is my napping blanket. Isn't that so cute? I really kind of love that. I think I'm gonna be giving these away as gifts for the holidays. Now I just had a pair of scissors and I don't know what I did with them. So right there. So we are gonna take this off. Take off all the little plastic things. I love this blanket. I'm going to show you what I love so much about this blanket. It has foxes. This is a super soft blanket. We've got the foxes on the pattern side and a nice brown, dark brown on the other side. We are going to put the vinyl on the solid side, and I want it to be in the bottom right hand corner facing out. So like if I were wearing this blanket, it would be upside down for me. So I just kind of have to see how that would be. So I'm gonna hold it up against me. Okay, so I want the vinyl right here on this bottom corner, just like that. So I'm putting that over the mat. I've got my vinyl and it's just gonna go in the very corner right there. Move my mat a little bit here. Preheat our area for 5 seconds. This one is a little bit heavier, but I can still easily lift it with one hand. We're just going to heat that for 5 seconds. I'm going to push it down just a little bit just to make sure that we get that whole area for 5 more seconds. I'm going to put this on my plush blanket right where I want it. We're gonna do it in 2 passes, but think if we were doing this with the smallest Easy Press, we'd probably have to do this in about 6 or 8 passes. So it is really nice to have the big Easy Press for those big projects. We're gonna turn it over and we're gonna do 15 seconds on this side. Okay, 15 seconds. And then we're gonna do that warm peel, easy peasy. Move it over just a little bit just to make sure that we get that entire area. There is our vinyl. We're gonna cool it just a little bit. We wanna do a warm peel, but I want to be able to actually grab that plastic backing sheet. So we're gonna let it cool just a smidgen so it doesn't burn my fingers. And we're gonna peel. Uh-oh, are we gonna peel? Do we need to go again? Sometimes with plush can be a little tricky, especially just to get it started. There we go. We're just gonna pull that right off. And now we have a napping blanket. Isn't that so stinking cute? Shh, this is my napping blanket.